Is your VRChat stuck in eternal loading, or just plain frozen? Don't rage quit just yet, because I'm about to give you some quick fixes to get you back in the metaverse. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S simultaneously. Look for VRChat in the list of running processes. If it's there and saying not responding, select it, and then click End Task in the bottom right corner. This forces the game to close completely. If VRChat is not in the list, skip to the next step. Next, head over to your Steam library. Right-click on VRChat and select Uninstall. Don't worry, your avatars and progress are saved to your account. This removes potentially corrupted game files. Once the uninstall is complete, click the Install button. Let Steam download and reinstall VRChat. This ensures you have a fresh, updated version of the game, which often resolves many crashing issues. If the issue still persists, continue to last step. Final step, go to Steam settings, then Downloads. Find Clear Download Cache and click it. This will restart Steam, but can resolve download issues that might be interfering with VRChat. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix your game.